refused Dabur India Limited tendered an apology and withdrew an advertisement.
पर कंपनी ने करवा चौथ पर समलैंगिक रिश्तों को लेकर एक विज्ञापन जारी किया था।
#boycott Fab India. #boycott CH. #boycott Dabur. This festive season, these have been the online trends, bolstered with a high political pitch.
On September 6, 2018, India's Supreme Court ruled that the consensual homosexual act would no longer constitute a crime. The historic move reversed Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code, which was a legacy of British colonial rule. The change was welcomed by Indian and global LGBTQ communities as a step towards acceptance and equal rights.
For today, I think we can let ourselves celebrate that this has been repealed. It was high time, and I'm glad the Supreme Court has done this today. I wish they had done it 5 years ago.
2013 took away that fabulous 2009 judgment, which gave us so much.
Now they had freedom and they can live freely in our country.
It has been decades of struggle of activists whom we've seen grow old into fighting against 377, and also a lot of people who 377 brought together because they did not fit the norm in some way or the other. It has finally yielded into this.
LGBTQ is an initialism that stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender. Dabur on Tuesday withdrew an advertisement for Karwa Chauth that celebrates inclusivity, equality, and a progressive view of marriage, but also triggered a rush of harsh responses, including a cruel response from Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Narottam Mishra. Let's see the ad first and understand how it is presented and what it meant.
रुकना, ये लग गया तेरा फेम क्रेम गोल्ड ब्लीच।
थैंक्स, यू आर द बेस्ट। अच्छा एक बात बताओ,
करवा चौथ का इतना डिफिकल्ट व्रत क्यों रख रही हो?
उनकी खुशी के लिए और तुम?
उनकी लंबी उम्र के लिए।
अच्छा
Impressive preparations, हाँ? पहला करवा चौथ है और इस गोल्डन ग्लो को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए ये रही तुम्हारी साड़ी। एंड दिस इज फॉर यू। एकदम चांद का टुकड़ा लगोगी दोनों।
जब ऐसा हो निखार आपका तो दुनिया की सोच कैसे ना बदले। फैम, ग्लो विद प्राइड।
The Dabur ad opening starts with two women getting ready, talking about the importance of Karwa Chauth, discussing the reason for celebrating it as they prepare for the night. Then, the next shot shows the women facing each other with a CV and a decorative plate reflecting their relationship, and smile motion stays on their face with a tagline, "Glow with Pride." After this ad had been in public view, there were people appreciating the ad for backing the Indian LGBTQ community and that empowers the Gen Z generation who believes in equality. There were also critics saying that it's defaming the Indian and Hindu culture, arguing it hurts Hindu sentiments. After the controversy and hatred, Dabur brought down the ad officially from its social media handles. In a tweet from Dabur, quote, "Fem's Karwa Chauth campaign has been withdrawn from social media handles and we unconditionally apologize for unintentional hurting people's sentiments." There were also a recent controversy against the tire firm Seat. New commercial had just lately triggered a robust response from the former Union Minister and BJP MP from Karnataka, Mr. Anant Kumar Hegde, who raised an objection stating that this advert damaged Hindu sentiments. There were a few tweets on Twitter bringing caste and community into this, indicating Amir Khan, the brand sponsor for CA, to go give some gnan to his community, which is totally misleading and changing the entire direction of the plot. Did these brands do anything wrong? A simple answer is a no. There is a law in the Indian Penal Code stating that LGBTQ is legal, showing equality, respecting all human relationships. In the case of Dauber, according to Mr. Narottam Mishra, Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh, threatened the company by saying another made in India brand that is global leader in the Ayurveda and herbal product space will hit with the legal action.
आज वो इन लेस्बियन को करवा चौथ का व्रत तोड़ते हुए छलनी में देखते हुए बता रहे, कल को लड़का लड़की दोनों लड़के ही फेरे लेते दिखा देंगे, शादी करते हुए दिखा देंगे। ये आपत्ति है, और यही भोपाल के बारे में भी मेरी आपत्ति है। जो आश्रम फिल्म की शूटिंग हो रही है वहां भी मेरी आपत्ति यही है। ये निर्देश दूंगा, अभी मैंने डीजीपी को लेस्बियन वाला जो डाबर का विज्ञापन आया है उसमें निर्देश दिए कि इसका परीक्षण कराएं और उस कंपनी को बताएं कि इसे हटाएं, अन्यथा हम वैधानिक कार्रवाई करेंगे।
Whether it's Hindu sentiments or any other religious sentiments, everyone should respect the judiciary and its decisions. As a government representative, Mr. Mishra isn't giving the right view for people and is uplifting a controversy that may lead to violence. There is also an article by Business Standard that summarizes, quote, India does not have a comprehensive anti-discrimination code. While the constitution prohibits discrimination, that injunction only applies to the government and its instrumentalities. To bring more awareness among people about equal rights for LGBTQ, Indian government should include LGBTQ in the reservations and other government-led initiatives to put forward that everyone is treated equally and holds their rights. Hope this video is insightful and see you in the next one.